Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into tech, gadgets, and everything in between to help you make smarter choices. Today, we're checking out something simple, but super essential, the SatelliteSale Remote Control Replacement, model UR5U8780L Clicker 5. Now, this isn't just any remote. It's designed to work seamlessly with Spectrum and Charter cable set-top boxes, and also supports TVs and audio systems. That makes it a fantastic universal replacement if your original remote's gone missing, broken, or you just want a fresh one that works right out of the box. Let's start with the setup. One of the best things about this remote is how incredibly easy it is to pair. You've got two options, auto search or direct code entry. Either way, it takes just a couple of minutes to get it synced with your devices. No complicated menus, no frustrating errors. It's a plug-and-play experience, and that's exactly what we like to see. Now, let's talk design. The body is made of matte black ABS plastic. It feels sturdy without being bulky, and it's got just the right amount of grip so it doesn't slide off your couch or coffee table. The buttons are large and clearly labeled, making it super user-friendly, even for someone who's not very tech-savvy. Honestly, if you've got older parents or young kids in the house, this is a great pick. There's also a great little feature called volume and channel lock. What that means is, you can lock the volume to your TV and the channels to your cable box, so you're not accidentally switching control between devices. It's a small touch that makes using the remote feel a lot more consistent and intuitive. And get this, it comes with two AA batteries already included. You don't need to run out and buy extras or dig through drawers. Just unbox it, set it up, and you're good to go. Now, let's test the range. The company claims a reliable IR signal between 20 to 30 feet. We tried it out across the studio and even at an angle. No hiccups, no delay. It handled all commands without a problem. Compatibility-wise, it's not just limited to Spectrum or Charter. It also works with many standard TVs and audio systems. So, if you've got a mixed setup, this one remote could handle it all. Before we wrap up, let's talk about who this is for. If you're using Spectrum or Charter cable services and you're tired of dealing with clunky, outdated remotes, this is a clean, modern solution. If you're setting up a guest room, Airbnb, or even a rental unit, this remote adds a touch of polish and simplicity to your setup. And for the price, it's a no-brainer. That's it for today's review. If you want a simple, reliable remote with strong build quality and hassle-free pairing, the SatelliteSale UR5U8780L Clicker 5 might just be your new best friend. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let us know in the comments what product you want us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.